You want your dream to be so clear, so vivid that when you wake up in the morning all you got to do is step in your dreams. When you wake up in the morning look at your goal going to tell you what time to get up. Are you hearing me? Your goal going to tell you who you should be hanging out with and who. People ask me question Eric do this. And he does that he can't tell you but your goals going to tell you how much sleep do you need. You might not need to get up at 3 in the morning for your goal. Don't know but your goal are going to define what time you get up, how you live your life, how you move when you say yes, when you say no, like when you write your goal down you will know and hope can't do it. Yep, that's for me. Are you hearing me? So write it down and keep writing it down over and over and over. What do you want? Look, you eat however you want to eat. You do whatever you want to do. Right, you don't know what you want when you're not clear on what you want. Like you get up whenever you feel like it. You don't have no drive, you don't have no passion, and so when people ask me it where your passion come from, where your drive come from, he know what he want, and every single day he wake up boom and he go pursue it every single day. How far will your will take you this year? Because there's some things in life you not going to get, they not coming to you. You got to go take it. There's some stuff that you can't even just earn by doing the good thing, doing the right. Listen to me, there's some stuff if you going to get it, you got a will to get it. It will happen, it will come to pass, but it's not going to happen at your desk like at your job. It's not going to happen in the basement at your crib. It's not going to happen with you in the bed dreaming about it. It's not going to happen with you in the shower thinking about it. There's some stuff, and I'm telling you from experience. You know, he was homeless in a high school dropout. You know that, right? You know he was eating out of garbage can, and people say how did you get to where you are? He will did because some things only come with heart, with will, until you work on your will. Stop giving up and stop quitting, and stop giving in every time stuff get hard. The say is going to look just like last December to you. Life will break you if your will ain't strong. Every day matters, so be phenomenal or be forgotten. Now we got to keep climbing, we got to keep moving, we got to keep going. You're not where you are because you don't have an opportunity. The reason why I've been telling you don't be average, don't be good, try to be great, then be phenomenal. The reason why I told you that is because, listen to me, you got to understand, you have to understand, if you stay average and you stay good, you'll never get to where you trying to get. Music too great is about growth. It's about going from the Wright brothers to the smaller plan to a 757. Are you hearing me? That 757 in you, and you still operating on the Wright brothers plan. And I'm telling you, if you average, you going to be forgotten. If you good, you going to be forgotten. Nobody's going to remember you. Listen to me, you got to get away, you got to run from average like a plague, and then when you get too good, you got to make up in your means. That good is only to going to be for a few moments. It's just a platform you going to get out of good, and you're going to go to great, and then you going to be like your boy man. For real, I'm trying to transition, I'm trying to go from gram, and look, you see it, it's your dream, it's your goal, and so you got to make an investment in it. If you need this grand, you make the investment right. Stop asking people to sponsor your dream, to Make your goal become a reality too. Babysit your child to rear up all that. What was bearing you to take care of it? Listen to me, stop begging, invest in yourself. I'm going tell you something. If you invest in yourself, what you will discover that other people will invest in you, but I'm telling you ain't nothing going to change if you can't see it. So I ask you a question, what do you want, and I ask you what do you want, because the days you don't feel like getting up out the bed, the days you feel like quitting, giving up and giving in, listen to me, the only thing that's going to get you up out that bed, the only thing that's going to make you strive past that obstacle, get past that brick wall, and it's coming. The only thing that's going to make you get up and do what you supposed to do is what you see. You got something special inside of you, not only a special person created a special time. You have something special in you, and this is the year when you do special things all right. So this is the year to do the music impossible. I need you to drive possible. What do I mean when I say drive possible? I mean, okay, let me give you an example. Right, you got a tree, right? If you hit a tree, I'm talking about a big oak tree. If you hit an oak tree 1,000 times in 1,000 different spots, what's going to happen? Absolutely nothing. But if you hit an oak tree 1,000 times in the exact same spot, you know what's going to happen. You going to bring it down. You're going to do the impossible. So what I need you to do for me Monday, I need you to do the possible Tuesday, I need you to do the possible Wednesday, I need you to do the possible Thursday, I need you to do Friday, I need you to do the possible Saturday, Sunday, I need you to do the possible. We going to drive it home. What am I talking about? I'm talking about being consistent. I'm talking about regularity. Listen to me, I'm talking about consistency. Once you can get that momentum going, once that momentum J going boom, there's no telling where you can go. So the first level was all about you, understand. There's nothing you can't do, there's nothing you can't have, there's nothing you can't be, but that's over now. Now we got to build on that. What are you willing to sacrifice to get what you want? What are you willing to give up? You want to be the best at your company. You want to make more money than you've ever made. You want to travel the world. I don't know you want to build your second home. I'm not sure what you want, but I need you to understand that you got to give some. You can't stay where you are and go where you trying to go, and that's the problem. Many of you love your comfort zone too much. You love it, you love security too much, and I'm telling you, you can stay where you are, you can, but you can't stay where you are and try to go where you going. So what sacrifice this year are you willing to make? What are you willing to let go of? What are you willing to give up? Right, what are you willing to part ways with? Right, all right. And so that's why we say you got to want this thing bad. You want to breathe, but before you can want it bad you want to breathe, you got to know what you want for real. I've been out of the country. He did that. He got the passport. He seen the world. He did that. He got the degree. He did it. I've been there, done that. I'm married. Yep, got the house. Yep, picky fence. Yep, 2 kids. Yep, he got it, and now I'm trying to let other people taste it. I'm trying to let other people feel what it feels like to break a cycle. I'm trying to let other people feel what it feels like to make their dreams become a reality. Are you hearing me? Don't nobody else got to see what you see, but you got to see it, and you got to See it clearly so on sits and when ye see it hear what I'm saying I'm not talking about visual I'm talking about. In your mind I'm talking about using your imagination like you ain't got to pay for that there's no limit there's no boundaries like stop letting people tell you. Eric if he was you he wouldn't do it you. Ain't me you're not me so of course you don't see it of course you don't think it could be done why because you can't do it but just because you can't do it don't mean he can't do it and they not 18 stop calling them haters they just don't see what you see they not in your mind and then when he talk about seeing it I'm not just talking about your imagination I'm talking about purposing in your heart like believing and having faith 100% that whatever it is you set out to do that you can do it that you got everything that you got what it takes to do it you are unique you are special you listen to me you were designed in a way that nobody else was designed there when the blueprint was made for you listen to me. They threw it out there's nobody else like you so you got to do me a favor you got to believe it this ain't about today this ain't about tomorrow this is about every day. Why because every day matters and when you learn to perfect every single day you going to wake up and see yourself doing things you never thought were possible.